You know English to survive, but you don't sound the way you want to. You are stuck in intermediate plateau. You study grammar rules, you watch movies with subtitles, but when it's time to speak, your progress feels painfully slow. Today that changes. I'm going to give you the exact mindset and practical drill required to break through native like fluency. First, stop treating English like an academic subject. It is a sport. Think about volleyball. You cannot become a great player just by reading the rule book. You have to get on the court almost every single day to build reflexes. So, how do you get on the court if you don't have native speakers around you? Do the 2-minute voice note drill. Every single night, open the recorder app on your phone, hit record, and spend exactly 2 minutes summarizing your day out loud. Then immediately listen back to it. It will be painful, it will cringe, but you will instantly hear exactly where you hesitated, where you used basic grammar, where your pronunciation slipped. That immediate feedback loop is how athletes improve, and that's how you will improve too. High precision vocabulary and the synonym swap. Once a week, take an email you are about to send or even a paragraph from your journal. Circle every lazy basic adjective words like happy, sad, big, or important. Now force yourself to replace them with precise alternatives. Change happy to ecstatic or content. Change important to crucial or pivotal. By forcing your brain to make this switch on paper, those words will start showing up in your speech naturally. Changing basic phrases will make your English sound more natural and fluent. Like for very good, you can say exceptional. Very bad, you can say atrocious. I think can be replaced by I reckon. Micro listening for connected speech. We need to fix your learning. Why is it that you can understand me right now, but you get lost watching a Hollywood movie? It is because natives don't speak in separate robotic words. They mesh them together using connected speech. To fix this, stop listening to 30-minute podcasts. Start doing micro listening. Find a 10-second clip of fast native speech, a movie scene, or a YouTube clip. Listen to 10 seconds on repeat for 5 or 6 times. Write down exactly what you hear phonetically, not what you think the grammar should be. You'll realize that what are you doing actually sounds what you're doing. Once your ears unlock these connections in small clips, fast English suddenly slows down for you. Finally, you have to read native English content for pure fun. Not to study vocabulary, not to analyze grammar, just to enjoy it. When you reach a level where you can pick up a classic English comedy novel like Three Men in a Boat and you actually laugh at the jokes because you truly know the language, now your brain absorbs sentence structure effortlessly. You stop translating and start feeling the rhythm of English. Don't just watch the video and move on. Pick one of the 4 drills at least, the voice notes, the synonym swap, or micro listening, and do it today. Let me know in the comments which one you are starting with. And if you are serious about taking your English to that top tier, hit subscribe to Advanced English Unlocked. I'll see you in the next video.